Hi, it's SAE. Good morning. Today we will talk about starting with the Revit CAD file on Revit, how to make walls on it. First, we have to make the grids on it. I make it on the main walls like this, and now I will start with walls. I will select the wall type which I will start with it. I will start with generic 200 millimeter interior, but I will duplicate it to make exterior style. And start drawing. I will start with the ground floor. My base constraint at ground floor and top constraint to first floor. And I will start from this point to make the first wall like this. I can go to visibility and graphics by VV and go to imported categories and press this plus and open all layers and change its color to any other color and not match any Revit color. I will select something like this. I can also make the walls color different color by select the wall layer on CAD and make it different. Now all the walls on CAD file have this color, so it will be easy to match it. All external walls. I can check it by going to 3D. It will be like this. I can make imported CAD file half tone from here. If I want. This color for this view only. Ground floor, it's have its setting. Now I have to make the interior walls. I will select wall and select the style, generic 200 millimeter interior, and start with the interior walls. I can connect this by trim. If it's not at its place, I can use align or press AL and select the limit and select the wall edge to match it. I can also make this wall going to here by trim. In trim I can doing trim by 3 ways. If I select the wall, I have at modify trim, or we have trim here. We have 3 options for trim: trim extend to corner, trim extend single elements, and trim extend multiple elements. Trim extend to corner will connect these walls to corner like this. If I use this here, it will trim the wall here, but I don't want this here, so I have to use other way to trim extend single elements, and I will select the reference and select the wall. It will connect here, but element by element. If I want to use multiple walls to go to the same reference, I have selected this option, trim extend multiple element, and select the reference and select the walls like this. To continue the interior walls, it will be something like this. Now I can go to 3D to check it. It will be like this. If I check ground floor and first floor, this is ground and this is first. By in CAD file, it's same, but don't have interior wall here and here. So I can select all elements and select walls only by check none from filter and go to walls, select all walls and unselect this wall by shift and this wall by shift, and make all walls go to second floor from here. Now I can check 3D. It will be like this, all walls from ground to second floor. If I go to first floor level, it will be like this, with don't include this wall and this wall. Now I can go to ground. I can make something different in exterior walls. I will select one from exterior walls and go to add some reveals at it by going to types, reveals, and add one reveal. Apply. Check it, it will be like this. I can edit and go to structure, edit reveals, and duplicate it and make it 1.5 to 2.5 0.5. It will be this like this at ground floor only, and first floor don't have this one. Okay, now we have the walls at ground floor only, and ground and first floor only. This part is surface block. I will not use it now. I hope it's easy and simple, and see you next video. Thank you. Bye.